We'll guide you through how to reset any AirPods. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Whether you've got the normal AirPods or the AirPods Pro, whether your AirPods have a button on the back or don't, we're guiding you through this in this video. So make sure this full video and don't skip anything, as there are important parts you need to go and know. So without any other further ado, let's go and get into this. At the end, they're then ready to go and sell, or perhaps you just want to go and do this to go and fix a problem you may be facing with them. So to go and get started, you want to go and open the case up, make sure both AirPods are in there, just like so. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and look on the back. So just identify whether there's the button on the back. You can see here, I don't have the button. However, if you do, with the button, what you need to do is go and tap and hold on it. You're going to be holding it down for around 15 to 20 seconds. And after that time passes, the light on the front should start glowing amber or orange. And that means it's then starting to reset. Now I'll show you how you can do this if you don't have a button. Do keep watching, as something else we need to do after this. So there's no button, have the lid closed and open it up. Then what you're going to do is go and double tap that green light. Then what you need to do is go and double tap the green light. It'll start glowing white. It's in pairing mode, but double tap it again, and then again, and then it will start glowing amber like so. And that indicates that it's now resetting. So it's now reset, but we haven't completely gone and factory reset it. What you then need to do is come onto your iPhone, and what you need to do is go and open up the settings app. What you need to do is come down and you need to go and find the option for Bluetooth and go and tap there. And in My Devices, you go and find them and press the I to the right. And then come down and find the option for Forget this device. You then need to go and confirm the decision and confirm it again. And this will just go and remove it from the Apple ID account. That's it. It's now completely factory reset, and it could then go and be set up again, whether you want to do it on your device or give it away to somebody else. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more how-tos like this. Have a great day. Goodbye.